is Pedalian. Alien. And wait, this is Praetorian. And this is Alien named Bob. And now I'm going to evolve and make them my pets. Let's see, this is the cell stage. The creature stage. And this is the foot. As you can see, it's like kills a lot of stuff. Makes powerful allies. It's a yeah, the Carnotaur. Okay. This is where if I want to change anything. No, I don't really want to change anything. Got full stats. The Carnotaur is awesome like that. So, and he looks pretty tight. Check out how he uses his. Yeah. Wherever you put this thing or that thing, that's how he does. That's where he usually uses his weapon. So yes, I'm going to evolve now. That is gonna be funny. What's this? What's this? It's a stick. Oh my god. Oh wow. Whoa. What am I doing? Oh my god, it's fun. Yeah. Whoa! I'm gonna get wrecked. Wow! Oh god! Yes! I shall power it up and then make a fire! Yes! Yes, I'm a genius! Yes, I'm a genius! And holy crap, how did I get the staff? I'm amazing!